Hey everyone, it's Bev Filer from STXC Creations, where if you can dream it, I can create it. I'm going to show you how you can make some adorable ornaments that you can make with your children. And you can hang these on the tree. They're very inexpensive to make, but they're so darling and so easy to make. So we're going to make 3 of these. So I have 3 different ones here. I've got one that's got Saint Nick with a tree, and he's going to have a couple presents. I have another one that's got carolers, a little boy and girl carolers with 2 little trees. And then my last one is a toy soldier with a tree. So here's how we're going to do this. You're going to take your snow, and you're going to take a big glob of snow, and you're going to put that on the bottom. Okay? I mean, we're talking a big glob of it. You're going to put this on the bottom, and you're going to spread it around with your paintbrush. Oh, this ornament is open right here. Okay? So, and it's got the little hook on the top. Apparently, we have lost all connections on our TV. And I'm hearing police and ambulance outside right now or something. I don't know. I can't wait to go check and see what we got going on out there. So you can make this as thick or as thin as you want. I'm just going to keep adding this snow and build it up. So there's my snow at the bottom. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this and I'm going to rake it against the grain of my tree because I want to give my tree a little bit of snow. Like so. And I'm just going to put that tree, and I'm going to snug it down in that snow, just like that. Okay? And you want to make sure you wipe your hands, because like I said, this stuff when it dries, it's like cement. I'm going to put some more snow on the bottom of Santa. And I'm also going to put some snow up right around the edge. Now I've had this jar since last year and I just opened it up and it's still just as good. Oops, electricity's acting crazy. And we're going to take old Saint Nick just like that. Yes, it's called Snow Tech. And then we're going to place a few little presents right there, like so. And then I'm going to take some of my snowflakes, because remember, wherever it touches, it's going to dry. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that in there. Let me stand him back up. And there's our first one. Now what you can do is tie a pretty bow right here with a ribbon, and you can hang that off of your tree. You can put your child's name on the back and the year that they made it. So that would be a darling keepsake for the kids as they get older. And once this snow dries, like I said, it's permanent. It's like cement. And it's going to take several hours for this to dry, especially this one since I made it really thick. Okay, so this is a real cute project that you can do with your children or your grandchildren during the holiday break. So let's move on. We've got the snow, we got St. Nick, a few presents, and the tree. So I think the next one we're going to do, let's go ahead and do one with the carolers, okay? So I'm going to have to open up my big jar and see, I just take my brush and twirl it around, but it reminds me of that marshmallow fluff. We're going to take a big chunk of it and just put it in there like so. And take your brush and just kind of scoop it, move it around. Now I think this time I'm going to add my snow in here and just kind of pat it down before I put my tree and everything in. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this tree. I'm going to just, well, I think I'm going to have to clip. If the trees don't fit, you might have to clip that base off so they will fit in there easily. And just take that tree and shove that tree in there. Make sure I wipe my hands. And then I'm going to take my little carolers. I got a little boy and a little girl. I'm going to put some snow on the bottom. And then I'm going to put some snow right around their feet at the top. And I'm going to put one caroler on one side facing out. And I want to make sure she fits. Yeah, she does. And then I'm going to put the other one on the other side of the tree. And again, these little seams don't have to be, you don't have to put a lot in there. And just kind of sit them in there. And I have a couple more. I'm going to put a little present right here in the front. And here's our second one. Isn't that cute? Is it really called snow? Let me show you again. It's Snow Tex, T-E-X. And it comes in a jar. And you can find this over in the paint department where they sell the acrylic bottles of paint. They have it over there. I think you can also find it where the Mod Podge is and stuff like that. And then I'm just going to sprinkle a little more of the snow, the little pieces of snow, and just tap them down. And like I said, as this stuff dries, it'll harden, and whatever is touching it will stick to it. So here's another one. Look how cute that is. And we're just going to sit that off and let it dry. So now on the third one, I'm going to do another little quick scene. Add some more of this in here. I'm just going to place it around. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle a little more snow in here. And just tap it down. Just tap it down with your fingers. So now on this one, I'm going to put another tree in there. I'm going to snip off the bottom. And again, to give the tree a little more snowy look, I'm going to take my paintbrush and I'm going to run against the grain of the bottle brush tree and just rake the snow across it. Just like that. Okay? And then I'm going to just place this in there. Probably put it towards the back. Like so. Make sure it's standing straight up. Oops. And then I have a couple of these little tiny baby trees. I think I'm going to put them in there as well. And of course, I have my toy soldier. So I'm going to put some snow on the bottom of him like that. And then just a little bit of snow right around the edge, like so. I say that word a lot, don't I? Like so. And we're going to put him on to one side and press him down. Make sure that tree is standing straight. And then I'm going to take these little teeny tiny trees and I'm going to do a cluster of them over here on this side. There we go. And I have a little present. I'll just put that right there at his feet. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit more snow in here. Tap it down with my finger. And there's my third one. You can, like I said, you can put a nice bow. Tie probably, I would use either the 1/2 inch ribbon. You don't want a real big ribbon, but a 1/2 inch ribbon. Just tie a pretty bow and then make a loop so that you can hang these on the tree. But these are so simple to make, and right now is the best time to go and get your supplies. They still have a lot. If you get some of this snow on the outside of the bulb, now remember this is plastic, just get you a wet washcloth or something and wipe it off before it dries, because once it dries then you're going to have to try and chip it off because it's hard. And like I said, if you're going to do these with your kids, you can put their names on the back and the year that they made it, and what a darling keepsake that would be. So easy pleasy, super easy. I'm telling you, these are so cute to make. And so we have all three. Now, once you're done with this, make sure you put this in water, because it doesn't take long for that to start hardening on your paintbrush. And put the lid on this really tight, because this will last. I mean, I have over half. I probably have 3/4 left in here, and I have a lot of more projects I can use this for. All right, guys, thank you so much. I love you all, and I will talk to everyone tomorrow night. Take care. Bye.